I'm proud to announce that this video is brought to you by the Yankee Dabbler. They are a full-line model railroad store specializing in DCC. You can use my coupon code CR&E for an additional 5% discount on all regular priced items. Now please enjoy the video. Welcome back to the Crooked River and Eastern Railroad. Alright guys, this is going to be part 5, probably the last part for a little while. So I got this all finished. Hopefully you guys can see that okay. I got it all painted up, caulked up. So yeah, I got it all finished up. I got the trim work all in. Block is all painted, patched. Trim work up top, corners. Finished it off pretty nice. I'm no pro, but you know, it works. I just noticed I gotta paint that right there. I'd sanded down a patch I did. I gotta put another coat there. So I gotta touch that up still. But basically the walls are done. Everything's cleaned up from the repair work. Started to clean up my table here. There's some of my airbrush bottles and stuff. Got those drying. Yeah, so this still needs a little bit of work, but I started packing some of the stuff away. In boxes, and then there's a holder for my airbrushes. And there's a case for all the bottles and brushes there, but anyhow, that's that. Still gotta clean this up. My son is home, and excited to see him. Looks great. He's feeling great. So I don't know how much more I'll be posting here before the new year. I might do one or two. We'll see. But for now, that's about it. Till I get to doing flooring and that. We'll see. Like I said, there may be some more to come. For right now, I have basically everything that I need to have done. Like with the wall and that. Finished painting the hallway when I did it originally. That you can't really see anyways. But I finished going up the stairs with the paint. And when we do the flooring down here, we're going to also put some new flooring on the steps. It'll be stick down tile as well. But just to finish the look off and just make it more welcoming to come down here. Again, this is an old basement. It's not, you know, a brand new build or anything. I'm just trying to make it look nice. Like, sir, I mean, it already looks nice in my opinion, but I just want to get it finished off and then start this rebuild. So, we shall see. I appreciate everybody that's sticking with me here and following along on this demolition and reconstruction, renovation, whatever you want to word it, renovation part 5, tear down part 5, whatever. I have to rename it once I start rebuilding. But, okay. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.